girls, welcome back to another video. So you guessed it, honey, today we're talking about MAC's part 2 of the Selena collection. This is called La Reina, honey, which is the fact, okay? None of these girls would exist without our #1 Latina queen, Miss Selena Quintanilla, okay? So this is the look we did today. Loving it. We got our busti la caca going on, okay? You know, we gotta get in character, honey. I am so muy excited to film this video. I am so honored that I received this PR package. Thank you to MAC Cosmetics. I used to work for MAC, so this is just such an amazing feeling. I just feel so honored, and you guys are gonna love this collection. If you're a Selena fan, a MAC fan, you have to get your hands on this collection. It is everything. So we're gonna do swatches and then do this makeup look. Let's get started, guys. So here is the PR box that they sent me. So beautiful, black shiny box with a giant Selena poster that has all of the product info, which I will give you in a second. And look how beautiful the inside has. This beautiful holographic box, and then there is a drawer at the bottom that has all the products with another photo of her. So let's get into it. Love how much of her is in this. So on this insert is a beautiful note from her family about keeping Selena's spirit alive and how much they appreciate how much we love her, and we really do. So this is so cool. Look how pretty all the products are with the holographic packaging. So first we have the Muy Excited eyeshadow palette. Well, it's called Me Siento Muy Excited. If you know, you know. Look how beautiful the packaging with the bustier, busti la caca. So pretty. I love the touches of different colors that you normally don't see. Pink, the little burgundy shade, and then I also love the inclusion of like a dark brown with some matte browns, a creamy color for the lid, which is super Selena, like a nice creamy matte lid with a little liner. The eyeshadow palette is $35. Love the names too. Eyeshadows are Me Siento Muy Excited, It's a Texas Thing, Live in Concert, Captive Heart, Te Amo, Los Dinos, 25, Como Te Extraño. I love that. Next we have the highlighter, which again has that pretty packaging, and this is called La Leyenda, and I love the embossed rose. Oh my god, so beautiful, so pretty. It is a golden pearl highlight. This is $36. So have a lip pencil, Entre a mi Mundo. This one is a brownish nude, so pretty that even on the lip liner you get the Selena X MAC, and then it has a silver cap. Nude brown, which I love. I will definitely be using this all the time. Lip liner is called Selenaville or Selenaville, and this one I believe is a red, kind of raspberry red, which is really pretty. And these lip liners are $19. I have Big Bertha, which is I believe this is a liquid lipstick. Look how pretty. It's a nude. And look at the silver. I love the packaging of this collection. So this is Big Bertha. We also have Siempre Celaena, which is the red liquid lipstick. So pretty and bright. Like I said, I would love to pair this red with that, and you can definitely see how they came with like they made like a set with the nude lipstick and the nude gloss red with the red. So pretty. So I'm so excited to use that. There are also some regular cream lipsticks. There's Selena Vive, and this is the packaging. Look at the lipstick. There is an embossed little rose in the lipstick. How pretty is that? Don't even want to use it. Really nice, again, peachy nude. A little bit more brown than the lip liner. Let's look at Queen of Cumbia. That one is it says it's a matte metallic true red. Isn't that gorgeous? True deep red. I don't see much metallic. Oh yes, I do. 2 lip glosses in the collection. The packaging is to die for. So there's this really beautiful pinky rose, and then this golden nude. They smell really good. Vanilla again. And these are the 2 swatches. So the colors are Bidi Bidi Bum Bum and Hey Dad Pizza. That is so cute. I love the packaging on this collection. So let's get into actually creating a look. I'm gonna do like a classic look with the red lip. I think I want to start out with that creamy nudie shade and put that all over the lid. Oh, this is so pretty. I feel like this will really make the eyes pop and give us a nice base. Look how pretty. That just blurred out the lid. Really, really natural. I'm gonna go in with this shade here. So, so pretty. Oh, wow. So pigmented. That's more pigmented than I expected. These feel really, really soft and they're blending really nicely. If you guys didn't know, I used to work for MAC, which is so, it's incredible, like, to have worked for the company and now be getting PR packages. I just want you guys to know, MAC, if you're watching, I am so grateful. I really am, you know. It's such an incredible feeling to have worked for the brand and now get PR packages, and it means a lot to me, especially this collection. It means more than anything else. I'm gonna take this warmer reddish brown and I'm gonna just start building that towards the outer V of the eye. So now I'm gonna deepen it with the dark brown, and we're just going to intensify the very outer corner, almost like a soft blended wing effect. So Selena's eyes are obviously smaller than mine, so I'm just gonna create a little bit more darkness and depth to kind of replicate that smaller eye look. So yeah, I used to work for MAC and I feel like these shadows have really improved. Like, they feel so much more buttery and blendable, and I mean, MAC eyeshadows have always been amazing, but these just feel so smooth. Like, the most blendable shadows. I'm really impressed. Really nice pigmentation too. I'm here for it. So there isn't a black eyeliner in this collection. I'm not sure if there was one in the first one, but I'm going to grab a black eyeliner to kind of, like I said, make my eyes look a little bit smaller. And I'm just gonna create a little wing blending this. So if you want to use shadow or a cream. All right, so I apply some black liner to my waterline as well, and for me this is just going to give me that smaller eye look. Okay guys, so I finished my eyes with some mascara, my lashes, and I also added more concealer and powder under the eyes and sprayed my skin because it was looking a little rough, a little dry from applying more makeup on top of what I already had. So I had to fix it up a little bit, but I did see one of the lipsticks from the first collection. This was the red from the first collection. But I know I have the bronzer somewhere around here and I like barely used it because I was just so excited. But today I'm gonna use just some ColourPop bronzer. This is one of my favorites. So to play around, I'm gonna actually go in with the brown shade here and see if I can use that as contour. It actually worked really nicely. Like, these products are, the powders are so blendable and soft. To these two pinky shades and see if I can use them as blush. Look how pigmented. Oh yes, it's working as blush, girl. Look at that. I actually put too much because it's so pigmented. All right, now we're gonna go in with the highlighter. Again, this is called La Leyenda. I don't even want to use it. It's so pretty. Just softly. My Real Techniques highlighter brush. Whoa. Oh my goodness, so pretty. This highlighter is so pretty. It's like really soft and definitely mid-tone. Really nice, I think, for medium to dark skin. This highlighter is so pretty. To me, it just looks really glowy and natural, almost like your skin is wet. Now I'm going to use the lip liner in Selenaville. This lip is definitely going to be my new favorite red. Oh my goodness, I've been looking for like a really true bright apple red for so long. I'm obsessed with this color, the lip liner, the formula. It's like velvety but matte and not transferring. So pretty. I'm like in love. I love this formula and the applicator and everything, and I love the color. Ooh, girl, yes, I am really feeling this lipstick. The highlighter, the eyeshadow, guys, this collection is popping. What's your favorite Selena memory? Do you guys have like memories of her from growing up? I know for me, my mom would dress me up as Selena, and she always did the half up, half down hairstyle on me. And I just have memories of like singing in front of the TV like her, and I would sing songs and be like, this reminds me of dad, this reminds me of you. Like, I just have great memories of growing up and listening to her music. What are your favorite memories if you grew up with Selena, or how does she affect you now? Like, I would love to know. Leave it in the comments. Let me know if you plan on buying anything from this collection, what you think, and what are your top Selena songs? My favorite, I believe, is Como la Flor. Like, I feel like that's my favorite, especially live, because she would always just come out and it would just be like, Como la Flor, and then she would like be quiet, and I loved like the hand movements, and it's such a sad song, but everybody would get so happy, and I just love how she performs it live. And the ay, como me duele, like, I just love it. It's just, I don't know, just the rhythm and the song, the whole thing. It's just so good. I love Como la Flor. I love Carcacha. I love that song. Pero sigo mi novio fiel, Carcacha, paso a pasito, no ves de tambalear, Carcacha. I love that song. El chico del apartamento 512. That one is forever, okay? Of course, Bidi Bidi Bam Bam. There's just so many good ones, guys. Oh, ya no. I love that one too. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on this collection, if you plan on buying anything, if you enjoyed this look, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. And que viva Selena. I love you guys. Stay glam. I'll see you in the next video.